We both like holes.
What do you have, Bean? Ooh, can you tell me what are you putting on?
This one too.
Are they pretty?
See, Mama.
Yeah. What is that? Who gave you those?
Puppy.
No, Grammy. You say Grammy?
No.
What else did you get? More panties? Did you get an apron?
Painting.
For painting?
Oh, the paint again.
You're going to paint again?
Yeah.
What about a book? Did you get a book?
Yeah.
Where's your book?
Did you bring back that bread that was kind of all soggy?
It's
No, I don't think if you white bread
Wow.
and bread up there.
Who is that?
Everybody use it this weekend.
More friends? Are you talking about Bambi? Oh, one of your favorites? Oh, with Furry you watched Bambi? Oh, and then he watched the ball game? Did you get a ball?
Yeah, who's on the ball, Anna? Can you say
Who's on there?
Who are your friends on the ball? Whose pictures?
Who is that? What kind of ball is that? Oh, a Thomas ball?
Who else is on it?
Okay. Anna, look at me. Can you say, thank you, Grammy? Thanks, Grampy. Good job. You blow kisses? You say, thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye.
What are you trying to do?
That's the panties on.
Oh, you're going to put your panties on.
See a large foot.
2 feet in one hole. I did see that, yes. Are you trying them all on?
See, oh.
Oh, are they pretty?
The flowers, see the flowers.
Flowers?
Yeah.
Oh.
Bye, baby.
Good job.
That's a foot down, the foot down. That's 1 foot.
1 foot?
Do you need help, Anna?
No, I'll help you.
Oh, you almost, sort of, you put it through 2 holes.
Asked her if she needed help. She was used my help earlier. She refused my help earlier. Yeah. It's an independent sort. You know how that is.
Bean, who came home today?
So Abby.
Ivy's home. Are you excited? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.